LG logo. Text, "Life's good."
Troubleshooting water supply issues on an LG washing machine.
In a laundry room, an LG washing machine and dryer sit side by side.
If your LG washing machine is having water supply issues, such as not filling, filling slowly, or not filling enough, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue.
A woman carries a laundry basket and presses a button on a front-load washing machine. Then, two examples of top-load washing machines scroll by.
Before we begin, it's important to note that energy-efficient, top-load washing machines use significantly less water than older, conventional models. That may take some getting used to, but if you would like more water for the wash, some LG machines do offer a Water Plus option.
On an LG washing machine's display, the Water Plus button is the second option on the left.
If you are seeing an IE code on the washer's display, that is a display message alerting that there is an inlet issue with water getting into the washer.
On the back of the washer, two water inlet hoses connect to the machine.
IE is displayed when the washer is filling too slowly or not at all.
A front-load washer fills slowly.
For filling issues, the water supply may require inspection to ensure proper flow to the washer, and it is possible that minerals in the water have clogged the inlet filters.
On the back of a washer, water hose is attached to valves. An instructor opens the valves, then runs a hand along the hose to check for kinks.
First, make sure that the house water valves that supply water to the machine are fully open, and that the water supply hoses to the machine are not kinked or pinched. Be careful when moving the washer. Also check another faucet in the house to make sure that the household water pressure is adequate.
An instructor turns on a faucet to check water pressure.
For reference, the minimum inlet water pressure for an LG washer is 14.5 psi, and the maximum inlet water pressure is 100 psi.
The instructor turns off the faucet.
If all is well so far, then the next step is to check and clean the inlet filters in the back of the washer.
An instructor unscrews the inlet filter on the back of the washer.
A clogged filter will interfere with the water supply to the machine.
A front-load washer spins as water flows into the machine.
To clean the filters, first shut the house water valves for the machine and unplug the power cord.
An instructor shuts the water valves on the back of the machine, then unplugs the power cord.
Then disconnect the water supply hoses by rotating them counterclockwise and use long nose pliers or a similar tool to remove the filters.
The instructor disconnects the hoses on the back of the machine, then uses pliers to remove the filters.
Clean all debris from the filters with running water and a small brush. Then put the filters back in and reattach the hoses.
The instructor rinses the filter in the sink, then puts it back in and reattaches the hoses.
If you verified that the water flow is not obstructed, the house water valves are fully open, and the inlet filters are clean, but you still believe the machine could use more water to complete the wash, then you can use the Water Plus option, if available on your specific model, to add extra water to the wash cycle.
On an LG washing machine's display, the Water Plus button is the second option on the left.
Here's how. While the wash cycle is running, press the Start Pause button to pause the cycle.
On the front of the washing machine, the round Start/Pause button is located to the left of the display panel.
Then press the Water Plus button to add Water Plus as the default option for that wash cycle. Press Start Pause to resume the cycle.
A front-load washer runs.
Note that Water Plus can only be selected when the washer is running its wash cycle. To deselect the option, press the Water Plus button after starting the cycle. If you need additional assistance, go to lg.com/us/support.
In a screenshot, the LG support website. Text, "Welcome to LG support. How can we help you?" A search box allows browsers to type a model or keyword. LG logo. Text, "Life's good." Learn more at lg.com.